What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're reviewing e.l.f.'s new Retro Paradise collection. This is like their summer collection, similar to like last year when they did the watermelon collection. I'm not realizing I was also blonde in that video as well, but anywho, I was able to pick up a few products from that launch, so if you would like to see how those products perform and how they look on me, please keep on watching. Okay, so the collection is just like a nice really bronze summer beat. Like the colors in the palette are so pretty. This is a very beautiful palette from e.l.f. Oh my gosh, when I seen it I just knew I had to have it because e.l.f. puts out fairly decent palettes, but the color story on here is like nothing I've ever seen them do. So I had to have that. I already did my base, so now we could go ahead and move on to eyeshadow. There's so many options in this palette, but I was thinking more of like a orangey bronzy kind of look for today. We're gonna start off with the shade Caliente, and I'm gonna blow that out in my crease. Like I just jumped right into eyeshadow. I should at least swatch these colors for you guys, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so just from putting on that one shade I could already tell that the formula of these shadows are a little bit better than the palettes from the past. I'm going to swatch some of the shades. Let's start off with some of the shimmers. So I'm going to do Rise and Shine, Parasol, Sea Salt, and Sip Sip, and do Disco. They're pretty shimmery. They look good, and there's actually color payoff. Like some of the other palettes, like they're nicely put together but colors didn't wear well, and this palette is looking a lot better. I'm not sure if you guys could really see that, but they look pretty nice. Okay, usually in palettes the shimmer shades are pretty nice, but it's the mattes that are like patchy. So let's go ahead and try some of these mattes. I'm gonna do Tropicana, Spice, Baha Mar, and Royal. Okay, pigment. Oh, they're pretty nice. I wish I could show you the angle of me swatching them. These aren't all of the shades, but they swatched really nicely. So yeah, there's definitely an improvement with the shadows. So like if you tried the other palettes and you didn't like them, I think this palette will be a lot better for you. And I'm really liking this shade Caliente. Like if I wasn't doing a review video for you guys, I would probably just put this all over my lid and call it a day. But I want to try out more colors, so let's keep on moving. The next color that I want to use is a Spiced, this one right here, and I'm just gonna like tap that on the outer corner. That is so much better than the old palettes. That's crazy. And I'm gonna also add it on the inner corner. I'm trying to decide between Rise and Shine and Parasol. I don't know how to say it, but Parasol is like a multi-dimensional shade, and then there's this like antique gold. I think I'm gonna go with Parasol. It kind of looks green and gold all at the same time. I'm gonna go ahead and use Spice on my lower lash line, and I'm also gonna take Caliente and blow it out. This collection did come with two highlighters, but I just didn't think they were suitable for my skin tone. They kind of looked a little pale, but like after seeing swatches, I think the darkest one is supposed to give you like a gold pink shift. If I see it in stores, maybe I'll pick it up, but they just didn't do it for me, so I didn't pick them up. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, my eyes are done, so now we can move on to I ended up not using the liquid eyeshadow. I'm gonna still go ahead and swatch this for you guys. So here is what the packaging looks like. It looks just like their last release of these liquid eyeshadows, and I really like them. It's like a rose gold with like peach and silver glitter. Yeah, it just doesn't go with today's look, so I'm not gonna be able to use it today. Okay, now we can move on to the lip products. I saw this blue gloss and I was very intrigued, and that's in the shade, what is it, Electric Lemonade. And then this one is called Tropical Fruit Punch. I think there's like 4 shades of it. This set also comes with a gloss. Okay, so the gloss is shared with an iridescent shimmer. It's called A Moment. And then there's these 3 lip liners. Okay, and here are the liners. They all come in a set, so that's the only way to get these liners. Let me swatch them. So this is what the liners are looking like. You can make up any lip concoction you want to using these liners, but today I'm going to use the darker liner and then the medium liner. I really like this brown. It's more on the natural brown side. It's more of a neutral brown. It's not giving you that hint of red that some browns have. This one is pretty good. I changed my mind. I'm not going to use the second darkest brown. I'm going to use like the 3rd brown, which has like a little bit of pink in it. And that's just to give my lip gloss a base. That's pretty on its own. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And this is the gloss that came with the kit. Oh, this is so pretty. So the glosses are scented. It's like a grapefruit kind of scent. And the glitter in the gloss is a little chunky. You could feel it. I haven't felt a gloss in a long time where you could feel the shimmers on your lip. I'm going to swatch the other 2 so you guys can see what they look like, especially the blue one, because how often do you see a blue lip gloss? Okay, so this is the one I have on now, and it's called A Moment. So it's pretty much clear with that iridescent pink glitter in it. Then Tropical Fruit Punch, which is the light pink one. Ooh, it looks similar to the first one except that it has a tinge of pink. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on right now. That's cute. Okay, and then for the blue one, like you can see a little tinge of the blue, but I'm sure if you lay it on top of something you won't really see it. It has glitters in it as well, but it's not as chunky as the first one. Next is the Glow Up Body Oil. I do have the brush for it, so let me take that out. The collection also has like a really cute brush set with clear handles, and I'm obsessed with like clear components, and I really wanted to buy it, but I do not need brushes, so I just picked up the body brush, and this is super cute. And they have the glow oil in 2 shades. There's a darker bronze one, like you know how they usually release these body glow oils. There's always a dark one and a light one. I mean, that is really pretty. I could only imagine that the bronze one would give more of like a golden glow. This has like silvery glitters in it, but it's very pretty. In contrast with my skin tone, like it really pops. I've tried the darker shades before and they just usually just give me a tan, so I was really intrigued to see what this would look like. It is scented. It has that same grapefruit tropical kind of scent that everything else in this collection has, but I like it. It's really pretty. I like that it's not extra oily. It just feels like I put on lotion. Okay, so this is the final look using e.l.f.'s new summer collection. I liked everything that I tried out today, honestly. The palette honestly shocked me. I wasn't expecting to actually get quality eyeshadows from e.l.f. Like, no shade, but I just haven't had like really good experiences with their eyeshadow formulas, but this one, chef's kiss. I definitely recommend this palette, and it's like the perfect vacation palette, or just palette in general, if you like to try and dabble into color, because you get the warm neutral shades and then you also get the pops of orange and the color. And how can you be mad at this? This is a really good palette. Really good. The colors are very well thought out, and I'm gonna keep it on my desk. Like, if you don't end up back in the drawer, you know I like you. So I'm gonna keep this on my desk. I really enjoyed everything that I tried out today. e.l.f. did a really good job with this collection. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.